Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As y'all know, Meta has been the talk of the town for some time now. The stock has seen some highs and lows, but as things are shaping, the stock price is getting better as well. Considering the volatility of the market and the nature of the stock in this video, I will share a price prediction and recommendation for Meta. This video is for entertainment purposes and in no shape or form a financial or investing advice, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So in the last week, you can see there were some significant drops in the price. The all-time high in the last 5 days was $172.27. However, the month of July started with a low of $155 for Meta. Again, it was an excellent buying opportunity because it has taken off in the last week from there. It was also a 6-month low, but on the high side, it has seen better days. The 52-week high price of the stock was $384.33. The economic condition of the U.S. are not doing any favors to the stock market at the moment. In fact, making them worse with a recorded inflation of over 8%. But experts are suggesting on a ground situation in double digits. Subsequently, Meta stock slightly declined on the 1st of June after the company announced that the COO, Sheryl Sandberg, is stepping down after nearly 14 years at the helm. Javier Olivan, the company's chief growth officer, will take the lead. Although Sandberg's functions will be spread across the organizational structure as part of a new scheme Zuckerberg has devised to run the business more effectively. The consensus recommendation from analysts surveyed by MarketBeat as of June 8th was bullish. Of 44 financial services companies rating the stock, 32 gave it a buy, 1 a strong buy rating, 10 hold, and 1 sell. The analyst set an average FB stock price target at $307.30 a share, resulting in a 57% potential upside from its June 7th closing price of $195.65. The highest 12-month Meta platform share price forecast from analysts was $466 and the lowest, $220. Since April this year, most analysts have lowered their price targets for the firm. One notable contrarian opinion came from Citigroup, which upgraded Meta platforms from neutral to buy on April 20th. This upgrade came only days after the American bank issued the report Metaverse and Money, Decrypting the Future, in which it discussed the potential of this up-and-coming industry. According to Citi, the total addressable market for the metaverse could be $8 trillion to $13 trillion by 2030. While the number of users could rise to 5 billion, or 65% of the global population, other platforms are bullish on the long-term forecast of the Meta stock, while an investor expected the FB future stock price to end up 2022 at $216.18. Looking forward, it anticipated the stock could move to $255.966 by the end of 2023 and hit $335.972 by the end of 2025. Although the service did not provide price targets for 2030, its 5-year Meta stock forecast expected it to reach $389.775 in June 2027. GovCapital had even more bullish FB predictions. It suggested the stock could rise to $253.360 by the end of the year, $520.207 by the end of 2023, $804.20 in December 2024, and closed 2025 at $1,276.429. GovCapital anticipated Meta stock to hit $1,987.827 in June 2027. These analyses are based on the algorithms and historical data, as well as other values like debt, dollar value, and overall market index. The real value may not be close, but even if it's at 50% of the prediction, it will be an excellent long-term ROI. As stated earlier, the Meta stock is driving based on the future of the metaverse, blockchain technology, and the real-world use cases of the metaverse and the future of social media. On April this year, Meta Platforms reported its financial results covering the first quarter of the 2022 fiscal year. During the 3 months ended 31 March, the company reported total revenues of $27.90 billion, resulting in a 7% year-on-year jump. Of that total, $695 million came from the Reality Labs unit, the company's metaverse-focused business segment. The opening of the second quarter saw a 6% year-on-year increase on daily traffic on Meta's apps, while monthly active users and daily active users were increased by 3% and 4%, respectively. The increased traffic and year-on-year growth suggests promising returns in the future. So, what's your stance on Meta? Is it a good long-term buy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.